Hi everyone and welcome to the second video of today. The first video was Science Lesson 2 of Unit 9 and now I'm going to discuss what I want you to do for math. Tomorrow we have a live lesson at 8 a.m. We'll start at 8:10 a.m. and then I want to discuss this. So first I want you to try to do this by yourself and tomorrow you can ask me any questions if necessary. Right. I want you to open this page. It is page 108 and it is a review of Unit 10 about 2D and 3D shapes. That meant two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. So let's go over the questions. I'm not giving you any answers. I just go over the questions so you know what to do. Then I want you to do these activities and tomorrow during the live lesson we will discuss them. Okay. Question 1, which one of these is a tetrahedron? So I want you to go back to Unit 10 and see if you remember the names of the shapes and then circle the one that is a tetrahedron. Question 2, what is the name of a seven-sided polygon? We should all know this by now. So you circle A, B, or C for the word that means seven-sided polygon. Number 3, you see a shape. What is that shape? We know it's a quadrilateral because it has 4 angles. But what is the name of the shape? Circle the right answer. And how many edges does a pentagonal pyramid have? So you have to go back to the lesson about edges, faces, and vertices. We all discussed this, so it shouldn't be new to you. So you can also rewatch videos from last week or from the week before that and look in your book at Unit 10 because it's not new material. Okay, so this is what you have also done in your homework. You have a shape and you have to tell me the number of faces, the number of edges, and the number of vertices. So many of you already did this, but then you saw the shape. Now they only give you the name of the shape, so you have to find a picture of the shape by yourself if you want to use that for accounting. Faces were the flat surfaces, edges were where the faces meet, and vertices was a difficult word for corners, just to refresh your mind, but it should be in there right now. Okay, question 6. Which of these nets will not fold up to make a cube? So if you would cut this out like we've done in class, and you're going to fold it back together, which one will not make a cube? So 3 of them will create a cube, 1 of them doesn't. Okay, so I want you to find the odd one out. Which one, if you cut it out, glue it all back together, just like we've done in class, doesn't give you a cube? Okay, we've also done this many times. Circle the odd one out in each set. So you see 5 shapes. These are all name. The odd one out is another name. So this is what you have to do for A and B. We've done that too. Please go back to Unit 10 if you don't remember what to do because we've done this a lot of times in class. Okay. This is something that takes a little bit more work. I understand if you don't have all the tools to do this at home. You have to draw the shape. It's 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters, and then you cut out the weird angles that they drew for you. And you have to try if you can make all of these shapes with the pieces that you've just cut out. Okay, but I will leave this up to you because I understand that is a lot of work to do. So question 8, I want to put it as an optional question. Okay, and to try this, it's also optional because you need a card, scissors, glue, tape. It's going to be too much work to do that from home. Okay, so to review, I want you to do question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is optional. Okay, so I want you to work on that today. If you have a small question, you can ask me via Telegram. If not, tomorrow we'll discuss this in our live lesson and I will give you the answer so you can check your work. Okay, so finish your science, finish your math, and I hope to see you tomorrow during the live lesson. Good luck. Bye-bye.